Hello everyone, I'm Victor from MonChart, and today I will show you how to connect Jira Cloud to MonChart in just few clicks and turn your project's data into live dashboards that you can share anywhere. First, sign in to MonChart or create account. Then you will be redirected to profile page. Click on Connect Jira button and you will be redirected to Atlassian OAuth page. Choose your app and click on Accept. Approve the requested permission and your Jira workspace will be connected. Choose Project there and go to your board page. Then click on Add Tile, choose Jira and then add all of them. MonChart includes different type of metrics: issue volumes, issue by status, status at the time, sprint velocity, issues by priority, issues by type, by components, by label, and so on and so forth. You can generate AI summary of your dashboard and choose a time range, 1 year. For example, when your dashboard is ready, click on Publish with just one click. Or make it private. It's already publishable for me. You can see, you can share this link with your colleagues or embed to any websites. Like here, let me update the page and you see data is already added there. And or you can embed to Confluence page or company website, anywhere where you would like to see this data. And viewers always see the latest available data. You can configure updates using AutoSync, and it's automatically refresh your data and keep dashboard up to date. You can choose time, every 12 hours updates, for example. Jira Cloud is available with MonChart Premium, and if you would like to test it, please make sure try it by trial account and explore together with Salesforce, Zendesk, Google Analytics, YouTube, Stripe, and other integrations. Connect your Jira Cloud workspace, publish your first live dashboard, and start sharing project insights with your team or customers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.